Good morning, welcome to the vlog. We're about to go to Sydney right now. We're actually really close by, so I think we're just spending the day. We'll see, but really good weather and come along. This is so cute. Or there's a denim one, 180. This one's 440. It's leather, but it's quite big actually.
Plum juice.
Soda, a plum juice.
Yeah.
And a latte, frappuccino.
Caramel syrup.
Caramel, yeah.
But if on balance you're like happy.
Cheers. Got a tuna and Cheno got salmon onigiri. Literally just a quick snack before we go for lunch. These drinks are actually really good. I found this spot on TikTok and I actually like the vibe here. It's really tiny space, but you're pretty much seated out here. It's really nice. We're gonna try and figure out what to eat for lunch. Are we
starving.
thinking Korean?
Yeah, probably Korean.
Okay, we're currently at Circular Quay.
About to hop on the cruise.
You see the big cruise behind? Well, not really, but we're actually gonna go home. What did we do today? We literally just ate Korean and we had that drinks. Literally, that is basically it. We're gonna go home, 3-hour drive, see you back at home. Good morning, it's Sunday. We're actually on the way to the market. So we're just gonna pick up a few things for lunch and maybe get a little bit of breakfast. What do you want? I got you.
Oh, yum.
Croissant, mon soup. Okay, so it's now 12 p.m. and we need to feed ourselves. We're gonna cook some linguine pasta. So I'm actually gonna use prawns today. I have cherry tomatoes, lemon, garlic, olive oil, and a little bit of butter. And I'm also gonna put parmesan and some parsley. So let's get cooking. Alright, moving on to the cherry tomatoes. This is one thing I bought earlier today at the market. Okay, I have the prawns here. I think it's good to also marinate them. Okay, and literally just have these ones. I currently have pepper, garlic salt, chili, paprika, or maybe I'll put the chili later, but paprika and more salt for the prawns. Currently using this coconut oil because I ran out of olive oil. Should be good.
Try again. I was sort of just spamming it, but I was also trying to catch like the, yeah, you got like the kicks and the in between.
So yeah, I was just doing a little bit of work. So I basically work from home. First of all, I actually don't wash my face in the morning with a cleanser, but I'm just gonna wash it with water. I actually like to use a facial tissue when I'm drying my face. And one product I like using after I wash my face is this Van water. So I think it's just a spring water basically, but you just spray this. Once that dries a little bit, I like to use that blue packaging from Hada Labo brand. I got this one from Japan. Very nourishing. Yeah, I do tend to get quite a bit of acne scars. I don't know if you can see in the camera. I like to use this CC Milano cream. So I think it's like a vitamin serum. So you basically just use this in the morning. I have to make sure you use SPF when you use CC creams. And next up is my favorite moisturizer ever. It's this Embryolisse. I don't know how to say that, but it's this French brand, the Lait Creme Concentrate. But it's a very, very light moisturizer. I think this will be good both summer and winter. I'm actually obsessed with this product. Like if I could only have one product, I would have this one. Lastly, for the face, I have this SPF 50 Skin Aqua. It doesn't leave my face like sticky. It's just kind of like cream and a gel, if that makes sense, but it's very light. Let's do a little bit of makeup. So I'm just gonna do like a very, very light daily makeup that I do. I am honestly mostly at home because I work with my boyfriend. I work with him for his business, so I'm literally most of the days at home. If I want to be a little bit more put together, I'm just gonna add a little bit of brows, cover up some scars, lipstick, and that's basically it. This vlog is really out of the usual for me. I know I mainly vlog travels, but this year I kind of want to be more consistent and share a little bit of my everyday life basically. So I hope you guys enjoy this, get to know me a little bit more. So I'm using this Merit kind of concealer foundation stick. It's very, very natural. I love this one. I only do full face makeup when there's events. e.l.f. HD powder. Actually, this one really stays on all day. That's why I like using this. And then I'm gonna go with this Merit blush. This one is in shade Apress. This is the first shade that I've ever tried from them, and it's really good. I like the shade. I think the shade works really well with my skin tone. So I don't know if you can see that. So I obviously have a DJI Osmo camera, and I feel like it has some sort of like a softening effect, even though The beauty filter is off in my camera. I don't know if you can still see it has that softening effect, but I hope you can see this blush on my skin. It's the 10th of Feb. It's Valentine's Day very soon, so I wonder what you guys are doing for Valentine's Day. I don't think my boyfriend and I are doing anything because our anniversary is actually at the end of this month, so we don't tend to do anything for Valentine's Day, but I know a lot of people celebrate it, and I feel like it's such a good way to, you know, spend some time together. But also, I believe Valentine's Day should be every day. Anyway, I want to know what you guys are doing with your partners. So comment down below any date ideas that you're doing for Valentine's Day. I might incorporate it in my relationship. Basically, the makeup, I don't know if you can tell. It's not much, but just gonna stay at home anyway, so. Okay, just rolled out my mat. And I'm actually gonna find a Pilates class. I always go with Move with Nicole. I think I might do like 30 minutes just because I've been on my ass for like all day and I need to move. I just had a quick shower, and actually my boyfriend and I are gonna go out to his family's place, but I'm basically wearing this t-shirt that's really comfy, this ruffle skirt, and these open back kind of mules. We're gonna pick up a cake. I think we have a little celebrations. Okay, I picked up the cake. We just got a small one, and it's this flavor.
Still a good size though.
Yeah. Yum. Good morning. It's currently 7 a.m. and I'm about to go to the gym. I don't normally wake up this early, but it's nice to see the sunrise. Yeah, I think I was there for about 45 minutes. I did feel kind of tired after a few workouts just because I haven't eaten today. I need to be eating before I work out. So I think that's what made me a little tired. Okay, I just had a shower and this is the outfit. Today we're gonna head out to a cafe to work outside, which is good so that we're not just working inside the house. So I'm wearing this Ralph Lauren that I thrifted from Japan. These Zara pants, just like a straight pants, and the mules. And I got this Coach bag as well that my mom gave me. She's had this for years, and it fits laptop and everything. So yeah, let's go get breakfast. We're literally back at the grocery, but we're getting a few things for the week. I'm gonna show you. So we have this turkey mince so far. I love having this one. We literally just make like mince with mixed veggies basically. Okay, I'm gonna get some meatballs, some wagyu. Cheno loves this with as a bolognese. And then prawn. Oh no, they never have this prawn that I want. Do you want some bacon?
Yes, I want some bacon.
Okay, I'm gonna get some bacon. Actually, I think I want to get this turkey for breakfast.
I said I want some bacon.
This is my favorite gluten-free bread. It's actually really good. Good morning everyone, it's Valentine's Day today, so February 14, and actually it's around 8 a.m. I think I'm gonna go work out my upper body, so I want to do more strength training today and kind of not grow, but I guess train my muscle a lot more. So yeah, upper body and full body. Actually, we're gonna choose a movie while we work, maybe? What are we feeling? It's really gloomy today, so maybe like a Disney or something. Okay, this Valentine's Day collection that they have, I want to watch that one. Okay, I know the soundtrack to Enchanted, so I'm leaning more towards this one. Okay. Okay, time to have some lunch. I might put on some show or something. Okay, we're just gonna head out to go to the movies. What are we watching?
Captain America.
Okay, I have absolutely no idea what we're watching actually.